See obstacle here, you know. My forward. Yeah.
Wake the town and tell the people, Yard Style family, are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Pleasant morning again, viewers and subscribers. It is a beautiful day today. Welcome back to the channel. And today we out here. May I tell you, the water look nice today. Yeah? So me in a Portland, my birthplace. The part of the water here we are going now is a part of the water we don't normally clean up. It's not 100% clean right here so now. But we are going to start dive from here so because years now we not dive right here so. Yeah, look at the water, people. The water look nice and flat. Yeah, so hopefully we can find something nice. Yeah, man. I go jump in the water. I get suit up here now, because as you can see, me no suit up yet. And this morning, I'm here and Twiggy out here. Yeah, man. Remember Twiggy from a couple of videos. Yeah, the link up video and as well as the rooster video. Yeah, man. I Twiggy this, you know. Yeah, man. So I go suit up here now. We are going to jump in the water. I'm super excited to catch something big today. So we can actually go do another link up with all of the guys them where we did doing at the last link up video. Yeah, man, that did crazy. So may I try to see if we can find a fish to do something like that today, alright? So for now, stay tuned. Catch you when we are going at the water. Alright now people, so we are walk. We have a little spot but go dive off and see what go on from there so. But right here so now peeps used to be a train line. Yeah man, so that train line yeah, I know it from Orange Bay come up. Think gone all the way to Buff Bay side of them place there. So the train line used to be right here. And my grandparents them also used to come catch train down here. So now around here so now I walk around there go show you what go on. Is one of the tunnel. So the train would have go through that piece of hillside there. So we have 3 of them on this side. But me only go get to show you one now because them not they close. I don't know if you can see that rock there out in the sea. Them say that rock there have something to do with a volcanic explosion or volcanic eruption. Yeah, them said that they have something to do with volcanic eruption. So when we reach this so diving going down, we are gonna stop and make you see how that look. And up on that piece of hill right there, the middle piece, there is a volcano up there. It is not active and I live right below that. So that volcano is not active at the moment. Yeah, hopefully you not get active because I build up my house and I don't want a volcano come Europe and mash it down. So I walk go show now the tunnel stay now. Back in the days as kids we used to run through them place here. So this is how the tunnel look like people. So now as I can see the place get eroded. We have the rocks from the hillside coming down. Hopefully none not come down while me I walk past. I see that piece there crack way and thing. But I try to make it round at the tunnel now. Make you see what I want. Yeah. If I walk through some bush and thing, alright. See the tunnel here. These never used to there, so used to be easy access. Here's them each up in a bush. Yeah, it used to be easy access to get inside here. Yeah. Alright, so this is it. And the light you see at the end there, yeah, that's the other side. And we have a lot of bats in this tunnel. You can see some fly out a while ago. A lot of bats in this tunnel. We call them rat bat. Yeah man, so rainfall water catch up in here and thing because the erosion on the hillside here make the water stay inside here. So water still inside here now. So we have 3 of these, as I said before, on this side. And then down there, so that's how we are gonna dive off right now. Alright, so stay tuned guys until we get in the water. Alright now peeps, as I said before, the water was a little bit murky, but it's not too bad. Right here, that's Twiggy searching under this rock for lobsters or any other fish. Here, this is my first dive, checking under this rock as well for lobsters and any other sizable fish. Now the further we go out, the visibility keeps getting better and better. Now here we saw a pudding wrasse. I took a dive at it. I only had one rubber band set on my gun and it was swimming off far away from me, but I actually still took a shot. I checked under this rock earlier and I saw a lobster, so I took the smaller gun from Twiggy and I actually went to shoot this lobster. Here I use Twiggy gun again to spear this lionfish. So we are now over on the hedge. Some beautiful tropical fish out here, small colorful tropical fish. Some nice colors down here on the reef as well, and it's looking lively.
Out here on the hedge, we were just taking some random dives, waiting on the reef to see what would come over. And this is a beautiful view right here. Out on this reef, I noticed there was a huge school of grunt, as you can see them over there. Yeah man, but they were not coming in close, so I didn't get a shot at any of them. Now with my camera off, we saw a nice school of jacks passing by. I didn't get any, but fortunately Twiggy got one. It was a nice one, so we actually have something to cook up when we get in.
Them people, Twiggy get one of them, a nice one, you know. Yeah.
The dive was short because we got a sign that we need to go in, and we did just that.
Yeah, peeps, so it look like we get a sign, so we have to go in. First, one of my rubber them pull out, and then I dive with one, and then the next one pull out again. So we're gonna just go in and we'll catch with us. I'm gonna make up our fire and roast them up, alright? Yeah, man.
On our way in, Twiggy stopped to shoot something, and this actually happened. The shooting line on his gun actually cut his finger, so that was more than a sign that we need to go in. On my way in, I saw a skinned fish, so we call it our file fish, underneath this rock. So I tried poking it with the spear, but it wasn't against a rock, so the spear actually didn't went through.
Alright now people, so see the rock here I'm gonna tell you about earlier on. Yeah, them call a rock a Scotchman rock. Them say it have something to do with some volcanic activity. That's why they're right here, so. But you can see. Yeah, so backside here, the elderly in our community say, my grandparents them and elderly people them say, for them grandparents they used to tie goat out here, so me no believe, but anything possible, you know. So yeah man, we are going in right now. We're gonna catch up on fire and roast up them fish. Alright, yeah man.
As you can see the color change, that means we're really shallow, and what I am doing right here, I am actually grabbing a lobster. The camera was positioned bad, so you couldn't see how I grabbed the lobster. Now this was the end of the dive. Catch you on the beach.
Yeah, yes, people see it there. God now work, what me on a work. Yeah, that land we are going now. Yeah. Alright now people, so we come out of the water and see what going on. Wasn't a bad dive, but we get the hint, so we need to come out of the water, so we just do the right thing and we just come out. Alright, so right now what we are going to do, we are scale up the fish them. Twiggy down at the seaside, there's go and scale up the fish them. While a little spot here right here, so now I just go clean up one little area and I go make up on fire side right here, so, and we are going to get the ball a roll, alright? So stay tuned, guys. Alright, so see them stone them I set up right now, and that me I go use make fire. So I get some stick and run them horizontally like that to make like one little grill. So yeah, me I go check out the twiggy I go on. Yes, twiggy I clean up the fish, lion fish. Now we have 3 lobster, a jack. Yeah man. Nice. Alright now. I try to catch the fire here. See what I go on. Yes, we're up on the beach, all of our people forward. Yeah?
Big up on yourself.
Yeah. General left there. Alright, we are roast fish, but then I get none. Alright, now see what I go on now, people. A front way about them. Alright, so twiggy there. I bust the lobster them now. The fish they scale already. So see them there. Yeah man, a nice lion fish and jack. We have some lobsters here. So we are going to eat good today, people. Well good, we are going to eat good today. Fire go and blaze out. See there? Me name is Fire Lord, you know. Alright now people, so see, we done cut out the lobster them here. Zoom down on it. How the meat look. So we are going to carry them down the seaside. Wash them off here now. And we are get them on the fire. Alright, so that is the lobster. The fish them now. Don't know. I put some slice on the fish here. Knife not so sharp. Watch out now. I have to learn their style. Yeah. I sharp the knife, you know, people. You see how I try to cut the fish a while ago? Alright. Come here, so now. Show natural file. Look, see spot to me that I try to cut a while ago. So much time I rub the knife, watch out. See that? Knife sharp. One more. Well sharp. See that? Yeah man. That's how we do it, people. Yeah man, you have to learn them little things there, you know. You know, if you have a file for sharp your knife, you rub it on there, so if you watch your chef them rub one next knife on it or something like that. Yeah man, but that's go on now. So 2 slices good enough on that. This can take 1 slice. It's like lion fish. I mean, hope you see a portion of them today. Let us slip out of my hands. You know, I'm up on the fire. Yeah, man. Yeah, Yeah, people, so we are going to wash off them here back. And get some stick for line across the fire. And we are getting the fish them roasting, alright? So stay tuned. Yeah, people, so I'm going to look some stick to put on the fire and cook up on them file pan here. So we now bother with the stick them, we are going to use the file pan them like we have a piece of zinc or something. And then this we are going to roast them pan, alright? So we are clean them up here now. So we use some gravel, just rubbing on the pan like that. And get rid of all of the things. See the people, well clean. Yeah, man. Alright now people, so see the idea we come up with. The file pan there, so blaze up some fire under it, make it get hot. Fish them about season up now and go up on it, alright? So stay tuned. Alright now people, so I season up them here, the lobster and the fish them. So me have the seasoning here. Yeah? So watch the process. And wash already and everything. So I'm gonna rub in some seasoning. The fish. Always season up the fish belly. Massage the seasoning like fish you know. So that look. Other side. Ready, you know. Put up on the fire. Hot and ready. Yeah man, I get them for the fire now. Fire ready, so watch it flex now. Alright now, fish are up on the grill now. Yeah, the shizzle already right. Yeah man, move back that stone a little. Get some more space. Fish. Lobster. Everything up in here. One more lobster left. Yeah man. See what I go on there now people? Yeah. Roasting start. So your peeps, this is the vibe we are going down here now. You don't know, me and the youths them there. So anyway me there, the youths them always want to there around me, you know, cause you don't know. Me I teach the youths them the right thing. Unlike some man where I teach the youths them the wrong things, that's not me. So the youths them always like to there around me and thing. So we there go on whole a vibe, you know? Yeah man, we are getting the fish them roasting right now. Yeah people, so what we are going on now, some water we didn't have in my car. Drop some seasoning in it. Remember yard style we name it. All different style we have. So the water you know we are going to use a spray upon them when the grill get hot, you know. Yeah. So I pour the top of the cap with the buckle. So that's it I go spray it. Yeah man. Hot already. Alright now people, so we look on them now. See if they can get that turn. So the fire high. Yeah man, really I take with time and roast it. How that look? Smell good! Yeah no. Yeah man. Turn on next one now. Right now, turn lobster. Look at that people. The roast nice and easy. Take time with them and turn it up. One of can stay up on the back because of the side they cut them. The roast nice. Roasted nice. Alright now people, so the lionfish they kinda get burned from one side. So I actually roast the other side and take it off. So this is what the other side look like. So we just gonna go and consume the lionfish until the lobster and the other fish then roast. Yeah man, so see what it look like. Meat white and nice. Yeah? Yeah man. So this is my piece. Yeah, hot and ready. Season well, season down, not the bone. Chew them bone and find it, not crack them. Yeah people, couldn't be better at night. The food there, you know. That gonna share that. Just grass. That piece up here. Alright, so I'm going here.
Yeah man.
Hot already.
Hot already man.
When I am this now, well nice.
Yeah, babe. Alright now people, so I run a check on the fish them again. I have like about 12%, 17% remaining on the camera. So I just run a next check on them, and then the next time I go see we and when we take them off and we are going to eat them, alright? Yeah man, so stay tuned. Alright, so see what I go on here now. After them catch them color and thing already. Fish one side I look good, see where. So about one more turn in night and then we take them off, alright? So stay tuned guys. Alright now people, see what I go on here. Yeah man, fish them come off you know. Yeah man, them come off man. See what I go on here, we don't know we mash up the lionfish already. These are the jack, lobster. Well nice people, I not tell no lie, look at that. So right now, we all are going to share out. I see we plate them here you know. Leave there we plate, so we're going to share out you know. And mash up them, alright? So stay tuned. Alright. We are cutting up here now, you know. Don't know. Nice. Alright, see there now. Fish them shear out. Yeah man. Look normal. Yes. Lobster now. That view. That view. Take that one, yeah. The other one they will give them away. I like that one. Yeah man. So see how share it look the people. 1, 2, 3 away. And the people when they bring the lighter and the seasoning come new it. And make sure they get the lobster. And if they eat fish it, they really want to fish it. So yeah, we're gonna get the lobster. Alright, so we are gonna consume it now. Yeah.
That fish are 20 pounds, you never know saying that nice. So I punish you and they have to tell me about that fish.
What you say I go and feed fish though?
Yeah, man, I eat money nice and sweet.
Yeah.
The right level seasoning and things, right?
Alright. Mad people, so I feel me now, you know. Oh, look at that. On the beach today. Yeah man, that's how we do it, you know, yeah. Nice.
Sweet people, sweet. Taste that one.
Nice. Okay. How I drop? I asked her that though. Yeah, please, I will drop by a deep better. Yeah, people. So, see the lobster here, you know. That one I grab, so I have to eat that one. Yeah? What? Look at this. Gonna mash it up.
Go ahead and lobster one.
Nice, them boy I go.
Holy.
Yes. Nice.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, mad people.
Your magazines goes in it.
Well, mad.
Look, your man. Oh.
That. Yeah, people. Food nice. Nah, tell a lie. It's a beautiful day. Find 2 fish, 2 lobster, roast them up, and we have a nice breakfast. Get me access right now. I go just jump in a car, probably just go find one little riverside and go wash off and thing. Alright, so always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Remember, subscribe to the channel, alright? Yeah man. If you're watching this video reach this far, make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Share with your friends and families. Alright, so stay tuned. We're going to touch upon the riverside. We're going to swim. Yeah, people. So I pick 2 jelly, drink 2 jelly, and then we head out. Alright? Yeah, so Twiggy a picky jelly them, you know. Jelly them. They're not really that good. So we have to drink 2 out ice here, okay? Nice. Go out there. Yeah. It's me a school now. Bus already. See there? Lot of water inside it. Yeah man, that refreshing and nice. Yeah people, so we reach a spot where them say a river there. So we are walk around there now. Alright, so see what I go on here. I go through a little place. First me I come around here, so yeah. So them say a river name Canal. Yeah, so and the youths them I go through. Okay. Okay, key drop. So the river there near to the sea too, man. Out on the seafront you so see here. A lot of activities are going on out here, you know? Yeah. There. Oh, the water cool. A little mud fish in here, you know. You should have carried my glass, you know. Swim in here and look. Yeah. Crystal clear. Don't go out in the sea. Watch you go on now people for the river. Man, them a jump over that sitting here. Yo, you have to bust you again, you know, me catch you, you know. Yeah, man. See obstacle here, you know. The man, them a jump over. Right? See what I go on now. You want to warm up there. Alright, my forward. Yeah. Mud.
So we're actually in the river water right now. These are some baby mudfish, we call them. You all know them as blackfish. They're all over in this water. As you can see, the colors are beautiful in this water. The green look absolutely beautiful. Now that fish with this black stripe, we call that a river mullet. There are also a lot of river mullets in this water, and if you look carefully across there, you can see some tilapias. It's like about 3 of them. Yeah man, that's them moving away, 3 tilapias. And in Jamaica we call the tilapias perch. It is always a great vibe, a great feeling to enjoy the waters of Jamaica. Whether the ocean, the river, it's always a good feeling to just dive in and have a look around with friends, families and everybody. It was a beautiful day today. This is absolutely beautiful. This is a type of water lily. This grows under the water. It's very beautiful. Now underneath here is like covered area. The grass actually grows on top and covers this area, so you'd find a lot of fish underneath here, but you need a light. And if you're going to dive here, you have to be very careful, because this grass will hold you underneath the water if you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, pretty for the camera.
This day was absolutely a beautiful day. Hunting in the sea, roasting some fish. Then afterwards we drive to the riverside. A lot of people were there having fun, and it was a great feeling, a great vibe to be chilling with some people, and a lot of them were subscribers as well. Yeah, man. So we had a good time there. We had some good swim and all of that. So this is the vibe we're looking for, a positive vibe, you know, fun feeling vibe all the time. So people always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to Yard Style Fishing. This is how we're gonna say goodbye on this video. Catch you on the next one. Alright? Yeah, man.